This week's Tailgate Conversation is presented by Pinnaker Chevrolet.
Maybe one of the most important relationships on the farm is the one with your insurance agent. Now, you don't want to call them often, but when you need them, you want to know they're there. We stopped over at Specialty Risk Insurance to see how they're serving their customers.
I've been involved in the insurance industry about 23 years. About 6 years ago, we started Specialty Risk because I've been in the business for a long time. There are some things I wanted to change about how we did business. There was nothing wrong with where I was before, what we were doing, but we thought we could do it in a little different manner because we saw that the farming industry, agriculture industry as a whole was changing. So we needed to have the opportunity to provide some different services for people, and so that was kind of the real vision about why we started, about the way we wanted to do service for our customers. That was one of the first things that we thought was vital to our operation. And then since then, we've grown to where we have a lot more service people.
Kevin understands the value of relationships and how the agricultural community is like a big family. Whether it's a grain elevator along the Mississippi River or a feed yard in Texas, his team gets it too, bringing decades of experience, not only in insurance, but the rural lifestyle.
I was raised on a little farm north of Webb City, Missouri. We raised registered Herefords and stuff, and growing up, we switched out to Angus and Simmental, and now my children show, and we have show steers, heifers, and market hogs. And I've been in the business now going on 18 years, almost 19, and especially risk, we care about our clients, we care about the people that work here, and it's just a great industry that we're in. I think one of the biggest things that has changed is technology. We have combines can tell you, it can tell you how many bushels, how much moisture. So these farmers already know what they need to have their bin set in, if they got to have their heaters on or their fans to take care of their crops. But one of the biggest thing is how they've grown. Grandpa and then his son and now the grandson, they're involved, so they've increased their acreage. The equipment's gotten higher. Combines are, the top of the line John Deere combine right now is $560,000. So, with all that being said, and you have a planner that can tell you how much seed's being put in the ground, everything's GPS, so you're not overlapping on your crops. Plus, when you're spraying and fertilizing, you're putting an adequate amount down. I think that's some of the biggest changes and improvements, but it comes with a price. We do the renewals every year, of course, and we try to take care of them and just not see them once a year. Go by and check on them when you're by there. And, we always have I guess it's not really a system, it's one thing we've always done is, we actually do care about our clients. And I think they see that. And a lot of people went to, okay, let's just get on the computer and get our insurance. People still like you coming and talking to them. People still like you calling them. People still like getting a card. They do like the personal customer service that I think we give here especially.
They're there when duty calls, and that might mean nights, weekends, and holidays. The schedule's pretty familiar to farmers, and they respect that.
First of all, they got to trust you. And, second of all, I think they ought to be able to call you anytime, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Because you got to remember, they don't work for us, we work for them. And I think that's been forgotten in our industry. Sometimes they seen this from other agents that they don't feel that, I work Monday through Friday. Well, it's not a Monday through Friday. It's 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. We never know when there's going to be a claim. We want them to call us. We want to be able to see them. We're walking down the street and say, hi, how you doing? And they're glad to see us. We're glad to see them. So it just comes back to, caring and actually being genuine.
Farmers serving other farmers, large and small. An agribusiness serving other agribusinesses. Specialty Risk Insurance? Yeah, I think they fit that mold.